Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Queen, and I am here with my another video. This video is about some beautiful and amazing kind of footwear and dressing is also a very beautiful black
तो आज मेरा
very
अमेरिका में
nice
फ्लैट
and
होता।
amazing silver color with work and top that
तुम
makes
तो
it
शैतान
more
से बढ़कर
beautiful and more
दिन को
amazing.
गले लगाते हो।
And as you see, this one is also a very nice. It's color like of that
तुम क्या जानो औरत की मोहब्बत
and
कैसी होती है।
this one is also a very amazing kind of heel. It's
मुझे
in a
बस
white
लोगों की
color
अदाकारी
along
देखने
with
का मजा आता
some
है। औकात और
very
असलियत
beautiful
मैं एक
thing on the top, and watch the video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more attractive, more beautiful, and more efficient if you wear such full kind of footwear in every occasion, like it's a wedding, it's a birthday party, or the normal casual routine. You are eating dressing dresses that looking beautiful. And footwear plays a significant role in our daily life, combining functionality and personal style, from athletic shoes designed for performance and comfort and footwear available today cater to diverse needs and preferences. Advances in technology have led to innovative features such as arch support, cushioning, and breathable material, enhancing both comfort and performance. Additionally, sustainable practices are becoming more prevalent, with brands exploring eco-friendly material and production method. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care. And thanks for watching this video till then. Bye bye.